Hi, I'm Pete Cornell here in Oakland, saxophone player, professional. I'd like to share my enthusiasm for the wonderful dentist, Dr. Mouth Sabatu. He's helped me not only maintain a good approach to playing the saxophone, he really enhanced my ability to get the sounds that I'm hearing. Lost my two front teeth at age 13 with a pool ball hit me and needed some work. Dr. Sabatu was helping me maintain and at a certain point suggested a full mouth rehabilitation. I said, well, that's a great idea. I was worried that it might change my original sound because certainly had adapted to whatever was there. But over time, we worked on where I wanted to go, and I was delighted when I got a full rehabilitation through his care. Dr. Sabatu says, I like your smile now, so I'm able to smile. And as a professional musician and Grammy Award winner, I'm out there performing. And it helps to be able to smile at the audience, smile at your audience. And usually they smile back.